Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am literally so excited for this video today. I'm partnering with my amazing friends at Fabrica to give away a 10.2-inch iPad. Honestly, I wish I could enter my own giveaway, but sadly I cannot. Alright, here are the steps to enter. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to Fabrica and download this free font. I'll leave a link to it right at the top down in the description. And the second step, once you have downloaded it, scroll down and leave a comment saying what you want to make with this font. Honestly, it's super cute. I think it would be excellent as a font for a children's notebook cover. Alright, post your comment, and the third and last step is to like this video and make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not already. And you are entered. You may be one of the lucky souls to win this iPad. And I am so excited for you. This giveaway will be live for just 1 week, so make sure to go and hop on that right now. And in next week's video, I'll be announcing the winner, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Also, don't forget, Fabrica has so much more to offer than just the occasional free font. For my fellow KDPers out there, it has a ton of KDP designs, interiors, covers, patterns, all sorts of different things, you name it. It is no doubt on Fabrica. And you can get access to literally everything that Fabrica has to offer for only $1 for your first month. And you can cancel anytime. Make sure to go down and click the link in the description if you want to go check it out. Honestly, I love Fabrica. I will always be a huge advocate for Fabrica. Definitely one of my favorite subscriptions ever, because there is literally no end to the designs that you can find on it. So again, just $1 for a whole month of any Fabrica design that you want. Click the link down in the description. All right, now let's get into the video. So I want to share with you the 7 best types of products that you can find on Fabrica for your KDP business. I don't know about you, but designing a KDP book is one of the most intimidating aspects of consistently publishing books, but Fabrica makes it so much easier because it has something for practically every single niche that you can think of. Now let's get right into it. Alright, here we now are on Fabrica, and my first favorite product for KDP designs are logbook interiors. For example, here is this super cute logbook interior. It's a little baby logbook, looks like it includes a feeding schedule, sleeping schedule, and diaper changes and things. And I love how most KDP interiors here on Fabrica include like a title page, this book belongs to page. This one doesn't necessarily say this book belongs to, but it does include lines for name, contact info, anything like that. And one thing I'd like to note is that this particular KDP design is free. So hey, Fabrica honestly has a lot of freebies as well. Just thought I would throw that out there. The second best product on Fabrica are holiday themed designs. Okay, this one right here is super cute. Mother's Day has passed, but this would be excellent for next Mother's Day. And there is still a whole bunch of Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween designs here on Fabrica as well. But I really love this one here because it functions as a gift for your mother. You know, each day, today I want to tell you, and you include a little something. That is the cutest gift for a mother. You know, you work on it for say 59 weeks and then give it to them on Mother's Day. Oh, I think that would be the cutest thing in the world. And I love that right here on Fabrica. All right, the third best product on Fabrica are planner interiors. So here we've got literally one of the cutest planner interiors I've ever seen. It is a meal planner. I think this is so cute, and I love how it's got this like food pattern in the background. It just looks so darn professional, and it is gorgeous. Oh my word. But there are a ton of other planner interiors on KDP as well. It was kind of hard to choose this one as the example because, oh my goodness, there were so many cute ones. But this one right here, absolutely gorgeous. I'm sure it would do amazing on Amazon. All right, the fourth best product on Fabrica are coloring pages. All right, here we've got some super pretty Manda coloring pages for adults. They've got this floral design to them, and they're perfect for adults because there's a lot of space for adding in details and playing with colors. But there are also a bunch of kids coloring pages here on Fabrica as well. These ones I think are super adorable, and as you can see, they're great for Christmas. So there are literally a ton of options. And something though I do want to mention with coloring pages on Fabrica, you do want to be careful. Some people have different opinions on this. This is just my opinion. Do whatever you feel most comfortable with. Something to keep in mind is that the designs on Fabrica can be downloaded by anybody, so it's likely that your book won't necessarily be original over on Amazon Amazon. And honestly, when it comes to things like logbooks, for example, I don't think it matters as much because someone purchasing a logbook doesn't necessarily care if it's the exact same as another. They just want it to be functional. However, a coloring book, like let's say that a parent purchases 3 different coloring books for their child, and then when they receive them, you know, they've all got different covers, but then they open them up and then find that the coloring pages are the exact same throughout all coloring books, then you've got more of a problem. Again, this is just my opinion, but be careful with coloring pages. I'd recommend, you know, mixing different coloring pages together into one book rather than just taking one listing. That can make it more unique. You can also edit them. Basically, I just wouldn't recommend uploading coloring books or even other activity books for that matter as is onto Amazon. But again, just my opinion. You can be even more careful, less careful. Just keep that in mind. The 5th best product on Creative Fabrica are lined notebook interiors. Here is this one. It is so cute. It's got lines, it's got a space for the date, and I love at the bottom here we've got a bunch of super cute little faces. So it also functions as a mood tracker, and hey, here is another free one. I just thought I would note that. This is super cute. There are a whole bunch of other types of lined journals that you can also find on Creative Fabrica. And you might think, hey, lined journals aren't all that exciting, but there are a lot of intricacies that can make lined journals like really stand out. With the spot for the date, the mood tracker here, for example, other little designs. Overall, they can make a big difference and really help your book stand out. And Creative Fabrica has a ton of different designs perfect for that. The 7th best product on Creative Fabrica are patterns. For example, look at these super cute animal patterns. This would be so cute on like a children's notebook, maybe even a wide ruled composition book. When it comes to creating notebooks and especially composition books, you're probably going to want to use a bunch of different patterns, whether you want a floral pattern or an animal pattern. You know, you just use a pattern, you put text on top, and it can be very simple, but overall very chic. And Creative Fabrica has a whole bunch of different patterns. This is just one of many other selections of patterns that you can find on Creative Fabrica, and a whole bunch are in freebies as well. See right here, you can head over to patterns and you can find a whole bunch of gorgeous ones. Okay, I'm already obsessed with this one and I'm just now seeing it. Like there are literally so many different patterns on Creative Fabrica. Honestly, probably one of my favorite places to get patterns ever. Look at these cute little cat ones. It's just so cute. These wildflowers. Oh, I could scroll through these forever and not get bored. All right, the 7th and last best product on Creative Fabrica are editable covers. Creative Fabrica has a bunch of KDP covers. However, I would recommend only going with ones that allow you to edit them inside of good old Canva. Because with an interior, if it's the exact same as another book, you'll probably be able to slip through the cracks. However, a cover that looks the exact same, you know, it's the cover. It stands out first. So I would recommend editing it inside Canva, and Creative Fabrica does have a bunch of super pretty KDP book covers that are editable inside Canva. Like this one, for example, super cute, super simple, just a floral cover, works with 100-page interiors and editable inside Canva, which is perfect. So for example, I can come here and download it, and here's what I get. I've got this PDF right here, and it tells me right here how I can use this template. All I have to do is click this Canva link right here. All right, I'm going to allow it. And here is the lovely design right here, ready for me to edit, all thanks to Creative Fabrica. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and don't forget that free 10.2-inch iPad could be yours. Again, go down and click the link in the description, download that free font on Creative Fabrica, leave a comment saying what you want to make with it, and then just like this video and make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not already. And side note, just in case I haven't mentioned it enough, you can get access to every single design on Creative Fabrica for just $1 for your first month, link down in the description, so make sure you go check that out. Alright guys, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye!